Hi guys, today's session is on how to install Magento using Composer. So I'm gonna show you how you can install the Magento, the open source one, using the Composer. So here's the dev docs by Magento. So you can see this dev docs, and in this they are already providing you the command, whatever the version you want to install. Using the Composer you can install it, either open source or the commerce version of Magento. So let's start. First, create a database in MySQL. So let's log in into the MySQL and create a database Magento 2.41. Let's create this database. Use Magento 241. Okay, so we are done with the database creation. Now we need to create a folder where we can download the Magento software using the Composer. So I have already created a folder. Let's open the terminal for running the commands. So let's start with the Magento dev docs. How can we use these commands for installing the Magento? So let's go to the example command. We don't need to install the enterprise version, we are installing the open source one. So let's copy the open source command, and then we will use the version number same as used in this enterprise command. So let's copy the example of open source and let's paste the command. So we are already in install directory, and for the Magento version we need 2.4.1. so let's hit enter. Now it will take few moments to connecting to the Composer repository, and then it will download the Magento. So now it's started. Let's wait for a few more moments. So now it's started to downloading the modules according to the version. It will take a while to download all the modules. So let's wait while it's installing. It's almost done. Now it's updating the dependencies. So it's still working on to installing the modules and the dependency, the libraries. So meanwhile we can prepare a command to install the Magento using CLI. So it's completed installation of dependencies and updating dependencies and all. So now let's hit that URL to the browser. So as you can see, we can install it only the command line. So let me prepare a command for this. So I have prepared the command. So in this command we are using the base URL, host name for the database, then database name, and the email address, password, username, and all. So let's run this command into the command line. So let's clear it and run this command. So now installation has been started. It will take 15 to 30 seconds to be installed. So installing the modules. Okay, so the installation has been done. Here is the admin URL. So let's check the admin URL, and here is the front end. It will take a while to load because it's first time it's loading. So admin is now open, so let's log into the admin. Front end is still loading. Let me refresh it and let's check admin. So it's saying that you need to configure the two-way authorization. So let's make it disable for now. So for that we can disable the extension for now. So let's say PHP when Magento, that's the module name, and let's make it disable module colon disable. So let's run setup the compile. It will take a while to complete. So now it's done. Let's refresh the admin page again. Yeah, so now we are in the page. So let's make it turn to allow, and the front end is also open. So in the next video I will let you know how can we install the sample data into the Magento.